Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a QR code to your receipts in Quick Receipt software. Let's walk through the steps together. If you want to display a QR code in your receipt, follow these steps. Begin by customizing the receipt design to include a QR code field. First, navigate to the menu Document Settings. Select Receipt and choose Design. Within the pop-up window, switch to the Layout tab. Locate the QR code component on the right side and move it to the left. Adjust the position of the QR code within the receipt by using the up and down arrow buttons. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click the Save button. Now, create a new receipt, and you should see the QR code field within the receipt window. Click the Add icon and input your QR code data. For example, you can paste a website URL. The QR code should be visible in the receipt preview on the right. You can prepare and save a list of QR codes for easy recall when creating documents. On the main screen, go to the Settings menu and select QR code. In the pop-up dialog, manage your list of QR codes by using the Add, Edit, and Delete buttons in the top right corner. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate QR codes into your receipts. Thank you for watching this tutorial.